In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of changing the aspect ratio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Welcome back to TechMan. Now let's head over to the tutorial. Launch Adobe Premiere Pro. Open the project containing the video you want to edit. Go to the top menu and click on Sequence. Select Sequence Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Sequence Settings window, find the frame size section. To change the aspect ratio, adjust the width and height values. For example, for a 16:9 aspect ratio, set the width to 1920 and height to 1080. Click OK on the prompts. After changing the aspect ratio, you may need to adjust the position and scale of your video clips in the timeline. Select each clip in the timeline and go to the Effects Controls panel. Use the position and scale settings to fit your clips within the new aspect ratio. By following the steps, you can tailor your video's dimensions to suit various platforms and formats. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.